What is the minimum age to become the president? A. 25 years, B. 30 years, C. 35 years. Correct answer is C. 35 years. Which is the brightest planet? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter. Correct answer is A. Venus. Which cricketer is known as the School of Cricket? A. Anil Kumble, B. MS Dhoni, C. Virat Kohli. Correct answer is A. Anil Kumble. Which is the longest living creature? A. Elephant, B. Greenland shark, C. Tortoise. Correct answer is C. Tortoise. On which day National Sports Day is celebrated? A. The 29th of August, B. The 15th of July, C. 5 March. Correct answer is A. 29 August. Which thing is bought to eat but is not eaten? A. Plate, B. Spoon, C. Thali. Correct answer is B. Spoon. Which is the biggest producer country of rice? A. China, B. India, C. USA. Correct answer is A. China. When did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? A. The 13th of April 1919, B. The 26th of January 1920, C. The 2nd of October 1918. Correct answer is A. 13 April 1919. Which state in India receives the highest rainfall? A. Kerala, B. Assam, C. Meghalaya. Correct answer is C. Meghalaya. How many times does a blue whale's heart beat in 1 minute? A. 37 times, B. 8 times, C. 12 times. Correct answer is A. 37 times. Which city is called the City of Roses? A. Jaipur, B. Alwar, C. Kannauj. Correct answer is A. Jaipur. What is India's most preferred food? A. Biryani, B. Khichdi, C. Dosa. Correct answer is A. Biryani. When did Bihar separate from Bengal? A. 1905, B. 1912, C. 1947. Correct answer is B. 1912. In which state of India is the highest consumption of milk? A. Haryana, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Punjab. Correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Who has the authority to pardon a death sentence in India? A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Chief Justice. Correct answer is B. President. Which is the most expensive stone in the world? A. Diamond. B. Red diamond. C. Sapphire. Correct answer is B. Red diamond. Which animal does not have teeth? A. Frog. B. Turtle. C. Anteater. Correct answer is C. Anteater. From which tree are pencils made? A. Teak. B. Cedar. C. Mango. Correct answer is B. Cedar. What is India's national flower? A. Rose. B. Lotus. C. Jasmine. Correct answer is B. Lotus. At what age does a human baby start walking? A. 6 to 8 months. B. 10 to 12 months. C. 15 to 18 months. Correct answer is B. 10 to 12 months.